Hey everyone, are you ready for a spooky engineering family challenge?
I am! Woo!
Alright, so we've got the danger door. Mrs. Engineer, open up the front panels and let's show the people what we've got to do. We're going to open it up.
Caution!
And there are 6 panels, right?
6. What?
And behind each one, there's a surprise, or maybe the monster. Sam, assistant, show us that door. See if Sam's back there. Sam, are you back
there?
Knock, knock!
Sam! So if you get through that wall, Sam will reach in and grab you.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Sam, get back there! Go!
Alright, but there's a challenge in each one. So you're out if 1, Sam gets you, or 2,
You don't complete the challenge.
you don't complete the challenge. So who's going to go first?
I will. Rock, paper, scissors.
Age before beauty.
We'll let Mrs. Engineer go first. Alright. So Mrs. Engineer, you got it. Oh, it's already open, so we'll have to.
You have to do 4.
That was my choice.
We're going to close that off.
He chose 4.
Alright. So let's open panel number 4.
Okay.
Number 4. I'm a little nervous.
Open it.
Okay.
Sam might have put his hand in there and got it. What's it? Oh no, it's just a mummy hand. Hey, assistant, you want the mummy touch?
What?
And what do you have to? Oh, it's a Monster Mash Jelly Belly.
What's her challenge?
She's got to eat 3 Jelly Bellies, and she's got to close her eyes, and I will pick them for her.
Okay. So I'm gonna close my eyes and gonna put them in. All right.
Assistant, will you open those for us?
Yeah, here.
I'll hold the hand. Put the hand back in there.
Okay.
And we'll let Sam do what Sam does.
Alright.
Alright, so we're going to close panel number 4. Alright, assistant.
I got them
She's
open.
got to close her eye. You're going to put 3 jelly bellies in. Mrs.
Okay.
Engineer, are you going to do it or are you going to chicken out? You got,
Oh, I'm doing it, baby.
She's doing it. She's doing it. Okay.
Okay, here, can you take this?
Okay, I got the pouch.
So 3 of them. Okay. Open your mouth.
No, she can just put it in her hand. Put it in her hand. She can, you don't have her shoes.
No, wiggle.
Put it in her hands. Alright, go ahead and eat it. Number 1. Guess the flavor.
Blueberry.
Maybe, but it's
I don't
green.
know.
Okay. So
Okay, that you already have another one.
I can now taste the green apple.
green apple. I think it was right.
Okay.
That one's really that one's fruit punch.
Okay.
Last one. Okay, eat the last one.
Can I guess what it is, Mark?
Sure.
Just eat it. You can't guess what it is before you eat it.
I was gonna say black licorice, but great.
Yeah.
So assistant, it's your turn.
Okay. Okay, watch
Mrs.
out.
Engineer, you gotta move out of the way. All right, let's see what the assistant gets.
I think I'm gonna choose number 3.
Number 3. Let's see what's in there. Is Sam in there?
No.
What in the world?
We've got a spooky clock and a Kool-Aid.
Oh,
All right, let's see this.
No, it's Kool-Aid.
Oh, Kool-Aid. Let's see the clock. We'll see how he works.
This isn't a clock.
Or
Is
the
it?
thing. What is it?
Oh.
Sam must have put that in there, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's see the Kool-Aid you've got to drink.
I have to drink this?
Yep, I'll take the clock back, or the thing. All right,
There we go.
now the assistant's going to drink the Kool-Aid.
Oh, what do you think it's gonna taste like?
Is it blood flavored?
No, it's scary berries.
Scary.
You think you can do it? You think you can do it?
Yeah, I'm totally doing it. But I think these were the easy challenges, and they might get harder.
Mr. Engineer might be stuck with the hard ones.
That is weird.
Is that weird flavored?
It's not that good.
All right, so my turn. All right,
So she takes another sip.
All right, Mrs. Engineer, you grab the camera,
I'll grab the camera.
and I'm going to go.
Okay. Mr. Engineer, which one are you gonna choose?
I am going to.
Number 5. Do number 5.
Let's see.
Do number 6. Do number 6.
I'm going to do number 1. Oh, I got.
Lucky! He got the best one.
Oh, look at this. I got these.
Ew.
I've got to eat the spider.
You have to eat this giant lollipop.
No, I don't. I got to eat the spider. Ready?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Alright.
You're right. I got to eat the sucker.
So, you already did your challenge.
With the sucker. Oh, look at this.
No,
Show people the sucker. So, do you think I should have eaten the sucker or the spider?
We've already completed the challenge, and now we're going to throw that away.
All right. All right.
We're done with that challenge.
All right. So we're done.
Your turn, Mrs. Engineer.
My turn.
You gotta watch out for Sam.
Number 5. Number 5. Number 5.
5,
Number 5.
3, 2, 1.
Lucky!
You've got to lick the dead frog. Is this challenge? You don't get to eat the Sour Patch. No, not kiss it. You got to lick it and lick. Oh, I think she chickened out. Did you chicken out?
Yes.
All right, so she chickened out. So she's not gonna.
So that means I get the candy.
No, you got to put it back there for Sam.
Okay,
Would
Sam.
Don't I get it? Don't I get it? Just one piece.
No.
Oh,
So-
boy.
I think I've gotten the worst one so far.
So would you have kissed it? Would you have licked the frog?
Yeah,
I don't.
because I would have gotten the Sour Patch Kids.
All right. Are we ready for the next panel?
Yeah, I think I'm going to do number 6 because Noah is the biggest one. No one's done it yet. This is what's been making all that
Oh, it's
noise.
a jar of eyeballs.
Ew. Well, now that we can get that out of here, I got Pop Rock!
That's right. You gotta put a bunch of Pop Rocks in your hand, and then you've got to say the ABCs
With them in my mouth.
with them in your mouth.
Is that good?
Whoa!
Whoa, whoa,
Everything's
whoa.
falling off.
Okay. Ready?
Not yet. 1 second.
Okay.
All right. Ready?
Okay, here I go.
Wait a minute. Put them all in. Do the ABCs. You got Pop Rocks in your hand. You gotta get them all in. Sing it, Gabriel. Sing it. I can hear it. Good. I think she did it. What do you think? Whoa, so she did the Pop Rocks challenge.
She did.
I need to wash my hands.
She did a great.
Only after the video. Okay, Mrs. Engineer, my turn. I've got to see if I can do it.
Okay.
Are you ready?
What number is he gonna choose?
Oh, my mouth is still popping.
We've already done a bunch of these.
2 is
Do you
left.
remember which one we've done?
There's only 2 left. There's only 1 left.
Oh, and this assistant's been keeping up.
I'm going to do number 1.
But what?
Oh! It's the Raw Brains Challenge.
It's actually spaghetti.
Well, you don't ruin it. It's raw brains. Look at these raw brains.
Ew.
And this one is a challenge where you get to make the other person do it.
Wait.
Here, assistant, you ready to eat them?
I
All right, ready? I gotta eat the spaghetti.
Yeah.
Oh, my Pop Rock spaghetti.
I got the spaghetti. Okay.
Spaghetti.
I have done the spaghetti challenge.
I thought you were gonna chicken out.
I thought about it.
But
I don't really like raw spaghetti. All right, so we'll close the panel.
I like. Well, actually, raw spaghetti would be hard.
All right.
Now,
Mrs. Engineer, you
okay, now this time I'm gonna close my eyes and spin around and see which one I touch first.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa, am I on
Watch out
facing
for
the right
Sam.
side?
whatever.
6.
Number 6.
Again. I'm out!
Oh, it's Sam! Sam! No, get away!
Get away! Go!
All right.
Man, I'm out!
Why don't you pick a one more and we'll see what you would have gotten.
Okay.
I just did number 1.
I'm checking number 5.
The Sour Patch. You can have
But that list hasn't been changed yet. So I'll do number 4.
No, you can do number. You have to eat 3 Sour Patch. That was
Okay.
the alternative challenge.
Okay.
All right, and then I've got to go. And if I don't pick Sam, I'm the winner. Okay?
Okay.
So let me close them all off.
Mom. Oh, greens are not my favorite.
Oh, I gotta pick them for you, assistant.
She's just going to town.
I gotta pick them for you.
Alright. I ate one.
We already know which ones she doesn't like.
Will's is eating the spaghetti.
Oh, I'm sure it's a great meal.
All right, you got to eat these 3 right here. 2 green and 1 yellow.
I say green was
Oh.
All right, go for it, assistant.
Okay.
All right, so the assistant's gonna eat. Go, go. All 3 at one time, though. Ready?
Easy peasy.
Chicken squeezy. Lemon squeezy.
Lemon squeezies.
Oh, how is it? How is it?
How's your
The yellow ones
taste?
are sour.
They are sour.
Sour. You got a little leftover pop rocks too on your
Okay,
face.
a little pop rocks action.
You
All
got
right.
pop in
Now,
your
if I don't get Sam, I'm the winner. Me, Mr.
So then, if he does get Sam, we have to see who would get the better challenge.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
I am going to pick number
4.
2. Oh! Oh!
He got Sam!
No,
Okay,
get out of there,
get
no.
back.
All right. Sam was in number 2. All right, assistant. You're,
Now we need to find out who gets the better challenge, and whoever does wins.
all right, you get to go. Unless you get Sam.
1. No.
Nothing in there.
I get to go again.
Walk, walk, walk.
Number.
Well, close number 1 up. All right. Number 3. Oh, you got to do the.
The bean challenge.
All right, so I'll open them up. All right, I'm gonna open these up.
What do you got there?
It's a hand.
All right. Oh, this one is you got to get slapped by the hand. Ready?
Oh, okay.
Ready? Nope. Ready? Oh, yeah, put your hand down.
Can I see the hand?
Sure. Ow, no, don't hit me. All right, ready? Oh, you got to put, let me speak of the hand. All right, ready? Close your eyes. First, Jelly Belly. All right, can you see it for us, Mrs. Engineer? What kind is it?
Tastes like green. Yeah, green.
Okay.
Green apple.
I don't think so. All right, right here. Try this.
Then-
Yellow to me.
Really?
It did look yellow. All right, ready?
I didn't see it. This one's weird. Well, like this flavor.
All right, here's the last one.
What's that go?
What do you think that one was?
Is there a red one?
Nope, that was the green one there.
There was really actually green.
Ew. Green one's gross.
All right.
G. Same for breakfast. Now what do you have?
I don't know. What was the first one? Yellow.
Oh gosh.
First one was yellow.
Oh, this is grape.
That one
Red.
was ghoulish grape. All right, so my turn. Let me see if I can get it and not
I need scary berry.
get Sam. Sam!
Sam! He's going for number 1.
Oh, it's empty. Oh, it's empty. Ah! Sam was at number 1, but he's gone.
Sure.
Wait a minute, Sam.
Was Sam in number 1?
I don't know.
Looks empty to me.
Did I mistake Sam for being in number 1? All right, it was empty. Okay, I'll try again.
Okay, try again.
Try
He's going for number 6.
Should I do number 6?
That's the one that I got Sam on.
Whoa! Get close! You know what that means?
Oh, wow!
Assistant 1, our first ever Beware Caution Door with Mrs. Engineer with Sam. Was that pretty scary?
Sam. Okay, Sam, come on out.
No, we don't want Sam to come out.
No.
Alright, so hey, make sure you follow us on TikTok, right?
TikTok Wheels and Waggles have a TikTok channel as well as same
So
as the Engineering Family.
the Engineering Family on TikTok. Watch us on Happy Kids TV and our Roku channel. Subscribe to the Engineering Family. And on this video, you can actually leave a comment. So we'd really like to hear what you have to say, right?
Yeah,
Do you think we should do more fun family challenges like this one? It's kind of scary.
this one was fun.
It was scary.
It was pretty scary, wasn't it? Alright, so make sure you like, give us a comment, and subscribe to the Engineering Family. Bye, everyone!
Bye.